Students, welcome back to physics class. This is part 3 mathematical tools, and today we are going to discuss conversion. Okay, so conversion of degree minute second to decimal. Okay, degree minute second to decimal. So shortcutly we can say this is called DMS to decimal, or vice versa. We can also convert decimal to DMS, in which we can prefer good. Okay, so starting with the topic. Now, as in the previous class, I told you that 1 degree is consist of 60 minute. Okay, 1 degree is consist of 60 minute, and 1 minute is consist of 60 second. Now, how to learn this? Simple way. 1 hour is how much? 60 minute. And 1 minute is nothing but we can say 60 second. But if somebody is going to ask you 1 hour consists of how many seconds, so we can write it is 360. How? 60 into 60, so we have 360 second. 1 hour. Now simply 1 degree consists of 60 minute into 60 second. So it is a relation between degree into second is nothing but 3600 second. Okay, so we have to keep this term in our mind for the conversion. Okay, so how to convert this? Okay, now this decimal is also known as radian. So decimal means degree, minute, second. How to convert into decimal or radian? Why I am writing decimal? So you are able to understood with this. As I told you that 360 degree, that is angle, degree and radian relation, we know that 2 pi radian. Okay, 360 degree is consist of 2 pi radian. Now if we are going to simply solve it, we can write 180 degree is pi radian. Now how much is 1 degree? That is degree convert into radian. So 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radian. Now students, I can write see, by using this, the very first one relation, if I want to calculate directly 360 degree to radian, so how can I write? I can write 1 degree is nothing but, now take this 360, we can write 360 into 1 degree, so the meaning is same. Okay, 1 degree into 360 means it is 360. So we have to calculate 1 degree, so take this 360 as denominator, so I can write 2 pi upon 360 radian. Okay, now suppose I will put the value pi 3.142 as it is, 360 as it is. If I am going to solve, so how would I get? I get the value that is 1.745. okay, into 10 raised to power minus 2. So I get the value 1.75. Now see, radian means how? We can say that degree is converted into decimal. This is a number. Okay, so this is in the form of a decimal. Now we have to calculate simply. This is degree into decimal. Now degree into decimal. Now what is the second part? As we calculate degree, we have to calculate in minute also. So 1 degree is consist of 60 minute. So what is the value of 1 degree? 1 degree is 1.75 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, if we want to calculate 1 minute, so I am putting here, we have to calculate what is the value of 1 minute. So how to calculate? Put over here x. Now simply cross multiply and solve it. So we have 1 minute is equals to, okay, 1 minute is equals to how much? That is 2.908 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Now see, how would I get? Simply, so you are able to solve from here also. 1 minute is 1 degree consists of 60 minutes, so 1 minute is how much? See, 1 degree consists of 60 minutes, so what would be, we have the value 1.75 10 raised to power minus 2, so put it over x here. Now make it cross multiplication, solve it, and so we get 1 minute value is 2.908 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, so see, we have also calculated degree into decimal. We also calculated 1 minute is nothing but 2.908 10 raised to power 4 radian. Okay, simply we can calculate 1 second. So how to convert 1 second? Now you know that degree into second relation is 1 degree is how much? 360 second. Now we have the value, so simply put it over down and convert this. So we will have 1 minute, 1 second is equals to 4.847 into 10 raised to power minus 6 radian. Okay, now see, so we have total 3 relations. Degree, for 1 degree we can write the directly decimal 1.75 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, and 1 minute is how much? 2.908 10 raised to power 4 radian. Okay, suppose if somebody was saying that 45 degree convert into radian, so how we are doing for radian? We are putting pi upon 180 and solving. So if we put the value of pi and just solve by calculator, so we have this value. Okay, so it is what the meaning is, we have to convert this degree minute second into radian, or we can say in decimal form. So this is our topic, that how degree minute second is converted into decimal. Now suppose students, I am starting with the very first example. I am choosing here, suppose I can write 45 degree 28 minute, and suppose I can take 32 second. Now you know that for 1 degree you can put the value, 1 degree is how much? 1.75, multiply with 45, you have a decimal number. Now you know that what is the value of a minute? 1 minute is how much? 1 minute is 2.908 10 to the power 4, so multiply with this 28, so you have a decimal. So this decimal, similarly for second, if all the decimal will are put, so how to solve this? So we have to just convert all this degree minute second into decimal. So why should we go for a long method? We have a very shortcut trick how to solve this. Okay, so simply I am solving this. Suppose degree I am writing as it is, 45 degrees as it is. Now first of all put the degree in the place of degree. So we know that 1 degree, okay, 45 degrees as it is. Now 28 minute, so 1 degree consists of 60 minute. So what is the total minute? 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, so divide with 60. Now minute into minute relation. Okay, now similarly 32 second. Okay, so what is the relation of degree into second? We know that 3600 second. So in the place of total second is 3600, so put it over 3600. Now simply solve it. 45 is 45 plus, now divide, if you divide with this 28 degree and 60 minute, so we get approximately, by solving calculator, 0.47. Okay, now similarly if we divide 32 upon 3600, if we solve this, so we will get suppose I am using my calculator, so it is 0.0088. Okay, now simply add all of them. So what will we get? That is 45. Now in the place of the degree put decimal. Okay, now just simply add this by calculator. What we have? We have 45 degree, 47 minute and 56. Okay, so if we simply solve this, we will able to get this answer. Okay, this is conversion of degree into decimal. Okay, now try to take one more good example and you are able to understand in a very easy way. Suppose if I would choose 38 degree 41 minute and 27 second. Okay, so how to convert? Simply, no problem, put 38 degree as it is now, plus over here 41 minutes, so we have total minute is 60, put out over 60. Okay, now this 27 second plus 27. Okay, second is how much? 3600. Now simply solve by calculator. So you have this term in decimal and all the decimals should be added with 38. So will we get 38.6908? Okay, this is our answer. Now this is what? This is degree, minute, second is converted into decimal. Now our next topic is how decimal is converted into degree, minute and second. Okay, so suppose I am taking very first example. Suppose I would take 38.4256. Okay, so I have chosen at least 4 decimals because see in the previous one 38. Okay, now see, suppose this one. So after decimal the 2 point gives minute, and after decimal the third and the fourth one give second. So we need at least 4 digit. So I am choosing 4 digit. Now this decimal is going to be converted into DMS. So how to convert this? So in this case what we done, we just left a degree and converting minute and second into degree and just plotting in the same form. Similarly, left the first term, put 38 as it is. Now choose the 2 digit. So I am choose 0.4 0.42. Okay, 0.42 and this is 56. Okay, so 0.4256, choose all the 4 digit and multiply with 60. Why 60? Because see, for minute you have divided with 60. Okay, so just multiply with 60. So we'll get, by solving with the calculator, I will get 25.536. Okay, now again what to do? Now for the second, now we have solved for minute, now solving for second. So take the 2 digit. So what will I write? I will write 0.56. Okay, 56 into 60. So I can write simply multiplying with 60 because the second is how much? 60 second. 1 minute consists of 60 seconds, so put it over 60 and just simply solve this. So we'll get 32.16. Okay, now see the first one, 38 put as it is. So if we solve for minute, we'll get 25.56. So the first two will give minute, and for second, the starting before decimal the 2 is second. So we are putting minute and here we are putting second. This is a very simple one. Nobody is going to ask this. We have to know at least this one, how to convert, because if we know degree, minute, second, so we'll go and check in the logarithm table. We will use log table. Okay, we'll use sine table, we'll use tan theta table. Okay, so this is very important to calculate, because in logarithm table after decimal taking two point decimal, after decimal we have to take 2 digits and solving. Okay, so in the same way, no need to worry for this. This is very important for us. So I hope you are able to understood this. Okay, thank you very much.